Before you spend thousands of dollars fixing your house, listen up. Some of the most common repairs that sellers make can actually make them lose money. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what not to fix before selling your house. And when selling as is actually the smarter move. So, if you're a homeowner thinking about selling your house, you've probably been standing in your house wondering, should I fix this? Should I update that? Or should I just sell it and move on? That back and forth is where a lot of sellers get stuck and where a lot of money get wasted. I'm Therisa, a Florida real estate advisor, and today we are going to talk about what not to fix when selling your house. The difference between selling as is or renovating, and how to make smarter decisions without overthinking or overspending. Stick with me because at the end of this video, you will know exactly where to stop putting your money. And make sure you stay until the end because I will share the two best things you can do that cost almost nothing but makes a huge difference. First, let's clear something up because sell as is gets misunderstood. Selling your house as is does not mean that your house is falling apart or that you're trying to hide something. It simply means what you see is what you get. You're not doing major repairs, you're not remodeling, you're just going to price the home accordingly. Renovating, on the other hand, only makes sense when the math actually works. And here's the truth most sellers don't hear. Not every house needs to be renovated to sell. And not every seller should renovate. So let's talk about the biggest fixes that usually don't pay off. The first one is the biggest one, full kitchen or bathroom remodels. I hear sellers say, if I redo the kitchen, I'll get more money. Most of the time, that's not necessarily true. A brand new kitchen can cost $30,000, $40,000, and you might not get that money back. A lot of buyers care more about clean and functional than trendy and brand new. If the cabinets work, the counters are solid, and everything is clean, you don't have to rip it out. What you can do instead is paint the cabinets a neutral color. The hardware, update the light fixtures. You can also update the appliances if they're a little outdated, but you don't have to do a full remodel. Make sure you deep clean that specific space. Small updates make a huge difference. Now, the second one surprises a lot of people. Replacing the roof. Now, if your roof is leaking, yes, fix it. But if it's not, you don't have to replace the entire roof just because you're selling. Older roofs are usually handled through negotiation, not replacements. Buyers are not expecting a brand new roof unless the house is advertised that way. Often, a credit makes more sense than spending thousands of dollars upfront. Now, here's another one that we're quick to do. Replace the flooring. Now, before you replace the flooring, clean it. You would be shocked at how many floors look brand new after it's been professionally cleaned. Sometimes there's even original hardwood floors underneath those carpets. So if the flooring doesn't need replacing, keep it neutral. Get it deep cleaned, get it refinished. Just make sure it matches the rest of the house. And here's a pro tip. Using the same flooring throughout the whole house makes it feel bigger. Too many floor changes can make the home feel a little bit busy or confusing. Now, here's one that I think a lot of people usually don't think about, and it's fixing the driveway. Now, concrete cracks are normal. Fixing driveways and walkways can get very expensive, and buyers usually don't care as much to justify the cost. This is not where your money should go. You can keep it simple and just get it power washed and cleaned. Now, let's talk about replacing the front door. Front doors are expensive. Instead of replacing it, repaint it, refinish it, or just change the hardware. Same impact, way less money. Let's talk about replacing window coverings because I think this one is a pretty easy fix. If your curtains are dated, you can take them down. Light and bright usually wins and there's no replacement needed. Now, if your windows are still in good condition, make sure you get them deep cleaned. Let's talk about landscaping. You do not need new trees, new shrubs, and a full landscaping design. Yes, curb appeal is important, but simple is best. Do this instead. Trim the bushes, mow the lawn, and just add fresh, simple plants. Like I mentioned before, you could just power wash your driveway and just add a few potted plants in the front to make it look even better. Selling as is can actually be the smartest move when you're short on cash, you need to move quickly, or renovating will not bring you a huge return. Sometimes the goal isn't perfection, it's just moving on without losing money. If you made it this far in the video, I want you to like and comment below and let me know, would you sell as is or would you fix first? Now, as promised, let's talk about the two best things you can do that can cost almost nothing. First is decluttering. Remember this, clutter eats equity. The less things you have, the bigger each room will feel. And buyer, they buy based on how a space feels. A 3,000 square foot home can feel really small if it's crowded and has too much clutter. Second one is to deep clean everything. If your home smells, it will not sell. Make sure you have a clean kitchen, clean floors, clean bathroom, clean windows. A clean home will let the buyers know that it's being taken care of. And if they get the feeling it's being taken care of, it will sell better. Before you renovate, make sure you pause because not every fix will add value. Some fixes just add stress. Now, if you're trying to decide whether to fix, renovate, or sell as is, talk to a local real estate advisor before spending money. And if you're a homeowner feeling stuck, you're not alone. Just remember, there's always a smart way moving forward. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you were blessed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.